Casper, is that not Zelda's phone? Come on, man, this is not right. You're invading her privacy.
Look, bro, my instinct tells me she's cheating on me. Yes, I just need to hold on to something and catch her red-handed.
For goodness sake, Zelda loves you. Why don't you trust her?
Guy, look, girls don't do me strong thing, no. As in, I don't know if don't you understand? I can't just trust this girl like that.
Okay. Have you found anything suspicious on her phone?
I've just been scrolling through. She keeps deleting her conversation with other guys. Like, who does that? Why? Why? No, why is she deleting her conversation with other guys if there's nothing hidden in her conscience?
But why do you feel so insecure about her?
Because I love her, bro. Don't you get it? I love her. I don't want her to hurt me.
But you're hurting yourself. That is what you are doing. Not kill yourself because of woman matter.
Really? Okay, bro. Just look at it like this. I don't trust her, man. They don't trust woman completely. Look at that other girl that we saw her video on the internet. Look how she cheated on her boyfriend. Someone that proposed to her.
Boy.
Who does that now?
Hey, stop worrying about the unknown.
Hey.
You're not going to allow an unfounded gist on the internet to sow a seed of doubt in you. Come on. I beg, return her phone.
I go teach you lesson today. Never say anything.
Oh, and I don't get anything here.
How far now?
Yeah. AGK. What's in the play?
I do.
Check up. Okay, no. Me too.
I play.
How far now?
That deal, is it still on?
What deal now?
The one where you said if I seduce your girlfriend and get her late, I get paid.
Of course now. It is having a joke. Why? Why? Of course.
I mean.
AGK. What do you mean you're in?
I mean, it's an interesting offer. Plus, I need the cash. But on one condition. You first deposit 1 million naira.
See this guy. You define where you want to collect 1 million naira from. What if the mission don't work?
Oh boy, calm down. I'll refund your money.
Wait. AGK, are you...
Wait. You dey here, oh. You dey here. You go refund my money.
I said I go refund your money now.
Wait, let me ask you, AGK, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend, though. What if she finds out? What will happen?
Well,
And you, Casper, what if he succeeds in sleeping with your girlfriend?
I will pay him his money now. I know be bet. Now bet will please now. Besides, wait.
a business transaction.
Of course. How my wait.
Nothing.
See this question. See this thing now. How my babe? Zelda. You know Zelda now. You know how this woman allow for you. You can't sleep with my friend. No, why?
Wait. Now I make you one bet.
Make. I just want to show you now.
Oh, but see, now too much talk they do here. Transfer the money sharply.
Okay. Calm down. Indeed, there's no problem at all. There's no problem. Talking about the pool, once the house has been paid for and every other document is signed, I'm sure we would get the engineer to come fix it up.
Yes, I'll get my wife here tomorrow.
Okay.
So she...
Sorry, excuse me, sir. Sorry. Yeah.
It's okay. Like I was saying, I'll need to get in touch with my wife.
Okay.
I'll need to bring her here so that she would see for herself. You know women, they own the house.
Yeah.
So, but before then, can I go inside and take some videos?
Of course. Excuse me, sorry, hold on. Oh yes, of course, we can go in. As you can see, it's a beautiful house. But you can come in and see the interior.
I like the size of the gate man house.
It's beautiful.
Zelda, have you been able to reach him?
Okay. He's not picking my calls. Eh? What kind of relationship is this? He's not taking my calls.
Just hold on. Let me call him.
You would?
Yeah.
AGK.
Huh?
I wanted to ask, do you think he would like the food I made for him?
Of course. It's his favorite.
Yes.
Besides, you made the food with lots of love. I'm sure he will love the surprise.
Thank you.
Let me quickly call him,
Yeah,
right?
thank you.
Hey, Casper, how far now? Yeah, we're good, we're good. You know Zelda is around? Yeah. When are you coming back home? Ah. Okay, no wahala now. This guy is just making this girl so paranoid.
HK.
Hey, Zelda.
Hey. So, did you call him? I tried his number and it's busy.
Yes, I did.
You spoke to him?
Mm-hmm.
He picked your calls?
Yes, he did.
HK, do you understand what I'm trying to explain to you? He doesn't pick his girlfriend's call, but he picks your call. And he doesn't even call back to say, okay, maybe I missed your call. What stopped him from doing that?
Zelda, relax. Okay, when I spoke to him, he told me he was with a client. That's why I didn't pick your call.
Chiki, that's what I'm saying to you. He doesn't give me attention. He doesn't create time for us. How am I in a relationship with someone in the same city with me? And it's like I'm in a long-distance relationship.
It's okay.
What does that? I've been in that kitchen, sweating, cooking for him to come home. The least he could have done is just come home to me and then eat whatever I prepared, even if it's not sweet.
Zelda, it's okay. Relax, come on. Look, I can assure you that he loves you. It's just that he's busy with work. I'm sure he will call you back. Okay?
His business.
Take it easy.
Sorry. I wanted to ask if I should prep the table.
Of course now. Go ahead. It's your house. You're my wife now.
Nobody's wife. Hello, baby.
Hey, Charlie, how far?
Baby,
Yes.
baby, I'm so sorry. I was with the clients when you called.
I am around.
Yeah, Ejike told me you're around.
Are you on your way home now?
Oh, okay. I'm on my way to you. I'll see you shortly, okay? Alright, love you too.
What's up now, how far? Send it to me. Alright. Cheers.
What's this? Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Yes, you're onto him. Oh, yeah, sure. I have a couple of properties available to see. Yeah, I can meet you up right now. Where? Okay, I know that area. Yes, I do. I know the area. Oh, okay. I'll meet you up shortly. Okay. Okay, right away.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Z. What's up?
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Hi. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you.
Is Casper inside?
No, but he will soon be back.
Oh. Are you home alone?
Ejike is inside with Tochi.
Okay.
Babes, hey, are you okay? You don't look happy.
Me? I'm smiling. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Talk to me.
I'm fine. I promise.
You know we're very close. Stop it now.
I'm not. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Don't worry, Casper will be home, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. He's waiting.
Are you sure you're fine?
Very fine.
Stop, talk to me.
I promise. I'm fine.
But you look so worried.
Me? I'm smiling. See? Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay.
We'll be inside, eh?
Sure.
All right. See you.
See you.
Take care.
Okay.
But babe, why is Casper treating Zelda badly? Are you guys not advising him? Like, he obviously doesn't spend time with her and he calls her his girlfriend. Who does that? That girl truly loves him. And it hurts me to see that she's not getting the attention she deserves. For God's sake. For God's sake. She earned it, babe.
Babe, honestly speaking, I don't know what is wrong with Casper. Ejike and I have tried to talk some senses into him countless times, but he doesn't want to even listen to us. You know him so well. You know how he behaves. He doesn't take advice from anybody.
Really? Come on. Zelda is really trying. Babe, you know me now. You know me. I swear to God. Like, I really swear to God. If I was his girlfriend, I'd have left his sorry ass a long time ago.
You can never be his girlfriend. Mwah! Stop saying that.
Babe, just...
Listen,
I'm
one
serious
thing-
right now.
Okay. But you see, one thing I know for sure is that Casper loves Zelda so much.
Then he should prove it. He should prove it.
But why are we
Action.
having this conversation? You're my girlfriend.
She's
Forget
also
about
my
them.
friend. She's my friend, babes. I care about her.
And I care about you more. It's okay. Please, let's have our happy moments alone and enjoy ourselves. What's all this?
I just hope you don't turn out to be like him. You guys, that's how you behave.
Shut up.
Hey. Zelda.
Why is Casper doing this to me? I put in my efforts, my sweat. I just wanted today to be special for us. You said he's coming back. You said he was on his way. So where is he?
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, please. Don't talk like that, huh? You two belong together. You belong here. You're his girlfriend.
My
Have you tried calling him again?
Ejike, when you go through my phone, it's just Casper. Ejike, his phone is off. Why is he doing this to me? I just needed a little bit of attention. Just a little. I understand he's working. I understand he has a lot on his plate, but I made this food for us and you made it for us.
It's okay.
It's
okay, please. Okay, you know what? It's okay. Don't cry, okay? It's okay. Don't shed tears. It's okay. You know what? Why don't we eat together? I'm sure your meal will be very delicious.
You don't have to take pity on me.
I'm not
It's okay, you can go back to Toji, I'm fine.
No, I am not pitying you.
It's okay.
It's okay. Let's eat. Because there's no way I am going to sit here and watch the effort that you put in preparing this meal go to waste. So, shall we eat? That's more like it.
Okay.
That's the Zelda I want to see.
Okay.
The Zelda who knows how to shake. That's more like it. Okay? That's more like it. It's alright. Alright. No more tears.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Your meal.
I wanted to start off with
Which do we start with?
an appetizer. I got
Okay, watermelon
Watermelon.
first. Okay, let me get my tummy ready for your meal.
this sweet.
Fresh.
I handpicked that.
Really?
You like it?
I can't wait to eat the meal.
Okay.
Babe. Hey. Baby. It's me. Babe, look. I'm sorry. Babe, look, I'm sorry. I went back to go and meet up with clients. She wanted to see a house. Babe. I'm sorry.
The only thing you listen to, the only thing you think about, the only thing you hear is work.
Babe, come
Shut! I went to the market today. I bought everything I needed to make my boyfriend's favorite. And I sweated in the kitchen and I made everything that would make you happy. And the only thing I wanted for my boyfriend was for him to walk through that door and see how I prepared the table for him for our 6-month anniversary. Did you even remember that?
Babe, look.
No, you don't.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry. You could have at least called me. You could have texted to shut up. Whatever excuse you have means nothing to me. You could have called me. You could have texted me. Anything, Casper. I would have taken anything. Anything at all. It's our anniversary, for God's sake. I just needed 1 minute of your time. You couldn't give that to me. Excuse me.
Babe, listen, I'm really sorry.
Zelda, you're leaving now? Today is Saturday. I thought you'd want to spend more time with Casper.
Apparently, he's upset with me. I should be the one who is mad at him, but he's upset with me about last night. I don't understand. What does he want from me? I am mad he came home late, and he's mad at me for being angry at him. Who does that?
What's wrong with this guy now? What's wrong with him? You know what? Let me talk to him.
No need, Ejike. Thank you. My Uber is waiting for me outside. If he wants to talk to me, he knows where to find me.
Please take it easy, okay?
Yeah. Help me tell Tochi that I left.
Oh, she left early too. She had an emergency.
Oh. Have a nice day.
All right. Take good care of yourself.
I will.
Man, this guy. Oh boy.
Hey, Casper. Guys are eating already.
Go wait for you, man.
Oh, more. Oh, this is nice.
Casper, you know, say be my guy, yeah? I'll be straight with you. The way you're treating your girlfriend, it's not nice. I mean, honestly speaking, you've been very unfair to her.
Wait, I know this is about yesterday. But wait now. What happened yesterday is actually not my fault. I was on my way back home. And then the client called. I had to go back. I go leave the client. I had to go back.
But did you call her? Did you call your girl to tell her what happened? At least make her understand why you won't come home.
No, I didn't. But as at the time I wanted to call her, my battery was flat.
Even at that, bro, you have never been nice to her. And you know that girl loves you a lot.
Love. My guy, forget this love thing. Look, I'm not a preacher of love. Yeah, look. See, a woman can never love you genuinely. My guy, they know they trust woman. She's only after her money.
Casper, I've studied this girl, Zelda. I've studied her. And honestly speaking, she's different from your previous girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
I don't think she's the kind of person who would cheat on you.
She won't even cheat.
Nah.
No.
Look, let me tell you something. My man, leave all this thing you're preaching. They know they trust woman. I don't understand what's wrong with you guys. Look, I love her. Yes, she loves me. Yes, I'm all hers. I know. But I don't want to give her the impression that I can't do without her. I don't want to. Please.
What do you mean you don't want to give her the impression you can't do without her? I mean, this girl went out of her way to prepare food for us yesterday.
Delicious meal, very delicious.
With her own money. Oh. Okay, Casper, tell me, out of all your ex-girlfriends, which one has ever remembered your anniversaries?
Amina. Chioma. Oh, yes. Maybe I didn't tell you guys. They did. Maybe because they didn't prepare food. They did.
They didn't prepare anything for
Oh, God. Wait, you don't. Calm down. You not remember my ex-girlfriend.
I remember.
You don't remember my ex-girlfriend.
Evidence.
Even after everything I did for her, she still cheated on me.
Oh, boy, you go talk.
What are you telling me?
Evidence.
Okay, because she prepared food for you guys, the money where she used to prepare the food, you give her. No, who gave it to her?
Bro, as far as I'm concerned, out of all your girlfriends, this one is better.
Look, okay, fine. Guys, let's take a chill pill. I just don't want her to feel like I can't do without her. I love her, yes, but please, let's just get past this.
Casper, my point is this. You should be careful. God has prepared a table before you, gave you a very wonderful girlfriend. Make your past not deceive you. You can't go lose what you get. That is my point.
No, I'm now. I don't hear you. I've heard you guys. I've heard.
So cherish and love this girl so much. Okay? We'll be your guys now, no feel like for you.
Exactly.
No, wahala. I love you guys. I love you. My guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys.
No homo.
Of course I love him. See, I've not loved anyone as much as I love Casper. And I know he loves me too. Just that he doesn't give me attention. Okay, I'll call him. Thank you, Ejike. Thank you for always being here for me. I'll call him now, I promise. Okay. Bye. Hi, baby.
How are
I am okay. Um, I'm sorry about yesterday. I was just upset.
you? It's fine. I'm sorry too.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Would you be at home today throughout?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, I'll come see you then.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye. Love you. Baby. Baby, what are you doing? Wait.
Babe, hold on. I'm just trying to reply to a couple of mail. I have a whole lot of mail to reply to. And it's really taking my time.
Baby, this is supposed to be a wee moment.
I know.
You can't.
Babe! Can't you see I'm working? This is my business. What is wrong with you? I just told you I have a couple of emails to attend to. Just, you know what? Just go and rest. Go to the bed, rest, okay?
I don't want to.
Babe! What is your problem?
Okay.
Mama.
See her knuckles. See her knuckles. Okay. See the glasses.
What's happen?
Babe.
Wahala. I don't see the way she even kept her face. That's the funny thing.
She's so serious.
So, who's that? Oh, hi Zelda.
Zelda, what's up?
Hi.
How was your day?
I'm good. How are you doing?
We're good.
You look beautiful.
Thanks, darling, and you too. Take care.
I swear, I don't know whose mother this is.
See her lips. See
What the hell?
This is too serious. This is too... See, she had to even hide that knuckle.
Yeah. That's the thing. Even look. Hey.
Her beans are too much. From her glasses to her... Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Also, can I help you?
No need. I got it.
Are you sure?
I am sure, Tochi. It's just small plates. I got it.
Thank you. I enjoyed the meal.
You're welcome.
You're a good cook.
I know. Thank you.
Thanks, yeah.
Zelda, you deserve an applaud. The vegetable was so fresh. It was. Why are you doing the dishes?
What? Because I want to do the dishes.
No, you shouldn't be doing the dishes. Why is Tochi not helping you?
Because I asked her not to. Calm down.
Are you,
Relax.
it's not possible. You just finished making an amazing meal. Why would you be doing the dishes?
It's okay. I got it.
That's not going to happen on my watch. Wow. The meal was really good, believe me.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy it? Was it so sweet?
The veg was fresh. Like it was, and the periwinkles in it. Oh my goodness.
Calm down. Calm down.
Orgasm. I had a food gasm actually. Yeah.
Easy.
Sorry.
Okay, so you love her, don't you?
Love who?
Tochi. Who else am I talking about?
Oh, Tochi. Of course I love her. I love her very much. She means everything to me.
HK. Do you think your friend loves me as much as I do?
Casper. Of course. Of course he loves you. Look, I know he has his flaws, but believe me when I tell you that he loves you very much.
HK, Casper is your friend. You would support anything he does.
Listen, I am not saying this to make you feel better. Casper is my friend, and I've known him for years. I know when he loves a lady. So believe me when I tell you that Casper loves you. Do not forget that.
Thank you.
Okay? All right.
Let me just stack the plates then.
Oh, all right. Casper, how far? Oh boy, consider that thing we talked about yesterday. You don't send down.
Oh, makes sense. Oh, makes sense.
Have you? I mean, make any adjustment.
Guys, how far? Have you seen the latest on Instagram?
What's happened?
The trending news on Instagram as we speak right now. See.
On news.
Remember that guy we proposed to his girlfriend for votes?
What happened to him?
That everybody were happy for them. Guess what? Castle don't bust. Everywhere don't tear. The boyfriend called the girl cheating. With another man.
Make I see.
See him now, see the guy.
Wow, why now?
See him. All the bloggers don't carry the news. My brother. See fine girl now.
Nah, even see the fresh boy now.
See the
fresh boy.
Man, the girl fuck up. I swear she fuck up. See fresh guy now.
Hi.
The guy even took her on a cruise and proposed to her.
On top water, everything soap on top water.
I know
Now,
she fuck up. She fuck up.
But
But
see,
women self, what do women want?
See, I always tell you guys, they know they trust woman. And they know they trust. See, women will not always stain your white. They go burn the white finish.
I tell you.
This is the reason why I don't always want to let Zelda know how much I care about her. Once you start showing the woman that you care about her too much, they love her and they go still mess you up.
What you concern Zelda concern this talk with the talk now?
Eh.
Your girlfriend can never cheat on you now. What do they talk? She love you so much.
You too dey vouch for. See,
Hey.
I go still shout am. They know they trust woman. Anyway.
I swear, see the guy.
I remember that come.
Let me
Shh.
cry
You see, hey,
See this
She
one.
make her watch with her watch.
Another blog.
Now wow, this one pass breakfast, so now
This one
na
na
3
lunch,
square meal a
dinner,
chop.
Everything.
Hi,
I don't tell you
poor
now.
guy.
Go online. I no get phone.
Women are scum. Women are
Don't
scum.
drop
Be
comments.
this guy.
Women are scum.
Why now? Why now?
No one.
This life, sir.
Hey, hey man.
What are you doing here? Drinking.
Man, I couldn't sleep.
Why? You had a fight with your girl?
Nah, no.
So, what is the problem?
Look, man.
I'm listening.
I love Zelda. I love her so much. But I can't find myself trusting her.
Why? Honestly, if you ask me, Zelda is the only one that loves you genuinely. That girl loves you so much.
Hey man, look. You don't trust these women. No woman loves you genuinely. All they're after is my money. Because I stay in a big house. You of all people know what I've been through, man.
You shouldn't say that. I'm your friend. I cannot deceive you. You are holding on to your past and it is wrong. Zelda is the one for you.
Why am I still finding it so hard to trust her?
Because you are still dwelling on the past. Live in the present. Forget about the past. Forget about other girlfriends you've dated. Trust me, bro. This girl is the best. God has given you the best woman on earth. All you have to do is to show her love that she deserves. That's all. Drinking, thinking, getting yourself worked out will not help the situation. Please, go and sleep. Right? Good night, bro. Catch you tomorrow morning.
Who's calling you?
It's no one important. It's just a friend I don't want to talk to.
Oh, okay.
So we should get fruits, yeah? We need that.
When we get close to the house, just by the supermarket there, we'll just get. Are you sure you don't want to pick up your call?
No, baby, it's no one important. I told you.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Guy, his family were inside though. Just exploded like that. And
Shit was scary.
it's scary. I don't like action movies. Oh, what are you guys complaining about? Before you know, the movie is just starting though.
Baby, let me take this call, okay? It's important. Yes, I told you, I love you. I love you and I will do anything to make you happy, okay? I'll send the money, I promise. Okay, I love you too. Bye. Baby. Hi.
Who are you talking to?
It's no one important. Let's go.
Who are you talking to? You say it's no one important. Are you mad? Who are you talking to? I just say tell you someone you love the person. Who is the person?
Wait, babe. I just said it's no one important.
It's no one important. Who?
Baby, let's just go watch the movie. Okay?
Who are you talking to?
Baby, stop. Nothing. I was talking to my father, okay? See, look at it. See, baby, my father. That's my father.
Take it easy, man. And what was he talking about?
He said he needed money for something and I've not been able to come up with the money, okay?
Money?
Yes.
How much are we talking about?
500,000.
500,000, and you couldn't even tell me about it?
Baby, I didn't want to stress you with my family problems.
Easy, man. It's fine. I'll transfer the money to you.
You will? Baby, thank you.
That's why.
Baby.
What's up? Should have told him at least.
Yeah, but I don't want to stress him with my family
You know
problems.
how your boyfriend reacts. You know his temper. You know him too well. Should have told him. Let's just go and continue with our mind, okay?
Do you think I should?
Don't worry, let's just continue with our mind later, okay?
What was the sense of the shouting?
What is love when you can trust? Oh, what is love when you can sacrifice? What is love when you can't be with me? Oh, baby, what is love? It's so clear that you can see my heart. Oh no, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away. Oh no, to find my peace. I'm going away. To find love, I'm going away. Oh no, to find my peace, I'm going away. Oh,
Casper,
to find love.
is that not Zelda's phone? Come on, man, this is not right. You're invading her privacy.
Look, bro, my instinct tells me she's cheating on me. Yes, I just need to hold on to something and catch her red-handed.
For goodness sake, Zelda loves you. Why don't you trust her?
Guy, look, girls don't do me strong thing, no. As in, I don't know if don't you understand? I can't just trust this girl like that.
Okay. Have you found anything suspicious on her phone?
I've just been scrolling through. She keeps deleting her conversation with other guys. Like, who does that? Why? Why? No, why is she deleting her conversation with other guys if there's nothing hidden in her conscience?
But why do you feel so insecure about her?
Because I love her, bro. Don't you get it? I love her and I don't want her to hurt me.
But you're hurting yourself. That is what you are doing. Not kill yourself because of woman matter.
Really? Okay, bro, just look at it like this. I don't trust her, man. They don't trust woman completely. Look at that other girl that we saw her video on the internet. Look how she cheated on her boyfriend. Someone that proposed to her.
Boy.
Who does that now?
Hey, stop worrying about the unknown.
Hey.
You're not going to allow an unfounded gist on the internet to sow a seed of doubt in you. Come on. I beg, return her phone.
Mm-hmm.
I know there's something going on here. I know there's something going on here. Yes, madam. Yes, we have properties in those areas. Ranging from 100 to 120 million. Well furnished. Yeah, I have time. I could come show you. Okay. I'll be with you shortly then. Yeah, sure.
Babe,
Yeah?
where are you going to?
Babe, I really need to meet up a client.
But baby, you said you'd stay home with me. I am sick.
Babe, you should understand this. This is work, okay? Look, I'll be with you shortly.
Hey. Babe. What's going on?
Stop. HK, just stop it. Stop. This is not why I'm here. Just stop.
My love, what is wrong? Come on.
Stop it. Stop. Are you seriously asking me what's wrong?
Yeah. What did I do?
What did you do? HK, I asked you for 1 million naira. It's 1 month. You've done nothing about it.
I don't have any money on me.
Okay.
But you know what? I promise you, I'm going to get it for you.
Stop it. What's wrong with you? Stop. Look, when you have the money, you know how to get me, okay?
Tochi, come on. Where are you going, babe? Come on. Is it because of money you're just living like that? Come on.
Get your hands off me. Stop it. Leave me alone. Stop. Tochi. When you have the money, you know how to get me. What's this one?
Tochi.
Please.
Tochi.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking on your games. I'm so fucking on your games.
Wait.
I'm getting it now.
How many is there?
This listen now is remaining one, so if you may you continue.
Alright, let's go.
I'm going next.
next?
I'm going. It's
I'm
not
next now.
Okay. Wait, I'm not stopped.
Stop now. Get
Wait,
down.
which one is get? Baby, don't do that. You're supposed to be supporting me.
Okay, I'm supporting you now. But don't come into my house. I'll take it to. End it. Finally.
I'm next.
Yeah, pick.
Baby, which one will I pick now?
Hello, babe. Now what for you? Tochi. Why are you behaving like this now?
What is it? Do you have my money now?
Okay, fine. I'll send the money to you next tomorrow.
Now you're talking. You know I love you so much.
Oh, wait, so is it because of money that's why you don't want to pick my calls? Is that how you treat someone you claim to love? Now what for you?
Because I was angry. That doesn't stop me from loving you. You know that.
Oh, you know I love you too. I love you so much. You know what, babe? Look, Casper and Dawn, they are here with their girlfriends. I'm the one who's alone. Why don't you show up now? Yes, come now, let's get there. You know what I'm talking about. I beg, stop this your shakara, Joe. I'm waiting for you. Toti, baby! Alright, babe, hurry up. I love you. Mwah! See you soon. Hey!
Okay.
Stop here now. Look at where you stop.
Okay. Come now.
3. Pack your 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Pack your 3. 1, 2.
Wait.
Now watch it. 1, 2.
Wait.
1. Oh.
I show you something.
Oh, yeah, now
calm down. Hold on.
Guy, take a message now. What's in the apple?
I go teach you lesson today. Never say anything.
Oh, and I don't get anything here.
How far now? Yeah.
AJK, what's in the play?
I do.
Check up. Okay, no. Me too.
Play.
How far now?
That deal, is it still on?
What deal now?
The one where you said if I seduce your girlfriend and get her late, I get paid.
Of course now. This has been a joke. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Of course.
I mean,
Ejike, what do you mean you're in?
I mean, it's an interesting offer. Plus, I need the cash. But on one condition. You first deposit 1 million naira.
See this guy. You define where we won't collect 1 million naira from. What if the mission don't work?
Oh boy, calm down. I'll refund your money.
Wait. Ejike, are you...
Wait. You dey here, oh. You dey here. You go refund my money.
I said I'm going to refund your money now.
Wait, let me ask you, Ejike, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend, though. What if she finds out? What will happen?
Well,
And you, Casper, what if he succeeds in sleeping with your girlfriend?
I will pay him his money now. I know be bet. Now bet will please now. Besides, wait.
That business transaction.
Of course. How my wait.
Nothing.
See this question. See this thing now. How my babe? Zelda. You know Zelda now. You know how this woman allow for you. Who can't sleep with my friend? No, why?
Wait. Now I make you one bet.
Make. I just want to show you now.
oh boy, see, now too much talk they do here. Transfer the money sharply.
Okay. Calm down.
Ejike.
Wait, you say something to me. Hold on. I don't see him. Come.
Send.
Wait, see. This matter now 2 weeks, so. 2 weeks, Ejike. If after 2 weeks I see you, you call my girlfriend and me, you go get
no problem. I
2
go
weeks.
shock you now. I go shock you.
After 2 weeks, this matter.
I don't hear you. No wala.
I don't get me.
Wait, Casper, you want to send 1 million naira to Ejike?
I be on my help you type.
Wait, calm down.
Send them now. You dey take time now, sharply now, bro.
Why did you rush me?
Let's get to business straight up.
Send. Check your phone. Go see him now.
Yeah. Okay, don't enter. Don't enter.
Sure.
No wala.
I'ma make I try do 1 or 2 inside.
Alright.
I go come trash you for this game later. Guy, if after 1 week you never run this matter, 1 week, done. You pay my money with interest.
I don't hear you.
With interest though.
I don't hear
Because
you
after 1
now.
week you don't fit do anything again.
Guy, I go pay you your money.
Okay. And then come make I come finish you for this game. Make I finish up.
Bro, don't look at me like that. My mind is made up.
Ejike, what are you doing?
You cannot change my mind. Trust me. You can't. I've sent the money. All right. Hi, Zelda.
Hi, what are you doing here? You're in my house. Sorry, please come here, sorry.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi, what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? This is like the second time you're saying that.
Sorry.
Is it a crime to come and visit a friend?
A friend?
Yes. I do classify myself as a friend. I mean, I've always been there for you. So technically, I'm your friend.
Yes, of course. It's just that your visit is quite surprising. You've not been to my house before, so...
Yeah, I understand. Thing is, I'm working a job around your neighborhood, so I thought I should stop by and say hello.
Please sit down. Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You have a nice place, by the way. A nice house.
Thank you. Would you want anything to drink? Don't say water because this is your first time in my house.
No, I wasn't going to ask for water. I'll need champagne and azul. For champagne, I'll prefer Dom Perignon. Yeah, that's my special brand.
I am sorry, Ejike, but where do you expect me to get azul from?
I'm just kidding with you.
You better be kidding.
Just get me whatever you have in the house.
Okay.
I'm fine with that.
I'm coming.
All right.
Welcome once more.
What's going on? I've called her like twice now. She's not picking up.
Thank you.
So, in as much as your visit was impromptu, thank you for coming. I was quite bored at home.
Really?
Yes.
You were bored? Well, it seems like I'll be coming more often because I'm still working in your neighborhood for like 2 weeks.
Oh.
I hope you don't mind me coming more often.
No, of course not. I'm just saying you should give me a heads up when coming to my house because I might not be around or I might be in the house with Casper. So.
Okay. Noted.
Sure.
Zelda, I don't mean to be a bother, but do you have anything in the house? I'm hungry.
Well, oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I should have asked you if you
It's
wanted
fine,
anything
it's
to eat.
fine.
I'm coming.
I'm the one
sorry.
intruding, actually.
No.
I don't know, maybe tomorrow or next now. See? Let me call you back. Alright. Casper. How far now? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You look worried. What's going to happen? Why are you trying to call?
I've been trying to call Zelda since. She's not picking up her calls. I don't know.
Voila. I keep trying now. Try. Is she picking?
She's not picking up her calls, bro.
Isn't that what you wanted?
Wait, where is HK?
You're asking me. HK is not at home.
HK is not home?
Yes, now. And your girlfriend is not picking your call.
I don't know. I've been calling.
HK might be with your girlfriend though. You know, see that boy gets sweet mouth. So by now they feel the kiss. Maybe they touch somewhere. Then after.
Hey, guy now. Stop this kind of thing. Which kind of nonsense?
That's why she's not picking your call now. Nah, get where they go, I beg her. Later I go talk to you, yeah? I'll be back in an hour time. Just keep on trying. Or probably, if you get her. Oh, yeah, now.
Why don't you snack on this? Wow, the food gets ready.
Wow. Zelda, you're spoiling me already.
Stop it. So I was thinking, are you okay? Do you want anything else?
Zelda, you're a beautiful woman. Casper should be lucky to have you in his life.
Thank you. You flatter me.
Oh no, I'm not flattering you. I'm just telling you the truth. You're a very beautiful woman.
Thank you. The food.
Pick now. Try again. Let me try again. Please now. Just pick up. Yeah?
Had so much fun today. Hi, baby. Good afternoon.
Why have you not been picking my calls? Who are you with?
Baby, I wasn't with anyone. You called?
Are you asking me stupid questions? I've called you like 10 times and you didn't answer. What are you doing?
Baby, my phone was on silent, so I didn't hear it ring.
You haven't answered my questions. What were you busy doing when I called?
Baby, I wasn't doing anything, okay? I was taking a nap. I didn't hear my phone ring.
You were taking a nap.
Yes. Yes, I was taking a nap. I am home alone, okay?
You are home alone.
Yeah. Yeah. Baby, I was thinking that... Casper.
Hi, baby. I'm at home.
This is not a lover boy grind. How far?
my guy.
How far now? How'd it go? Okay.
How far?
Let me call you back, baby.
How far? Did you guys have sex?
Easy, bro. Do you think your girl is that cheap that will have sex on the first visit? How for you?
No. Calm down now, my guy. It was because I was calling. She was not picking. And later on, she picked up and told me she was having a nap. Not true.
Okay. We did not have sex. All we did was that we ate, we drank, and we talked for a while, that's all.
Come on now.
Wait till now.
You be my guy now, no the rush now. They follow you talk now, relax.
I didn't hear you now talk now.
So, how far now? Waiting on the gist, how it take go, just...
Oh, but you hear this guy, see interrogation. This guy interrogates me. Oh.
No,
is that part of our agreement? I don't understand.
Now, allow him to do his work.
Bro, I just told you. The fact is simple. We did not have sex. We just talked, as in communication. That's all we did. Dude.
Guys, Ajax, why you dey rush?
This guy dey pressure me.
Allow him go inside.
Ajax, see, how far? You know, say you go there, you don't see like 4 hours, but those they talk, they gist, they chop. For the discussion, where una dey get? Wetin you reason? You see, she go fall for you.
You hear your guy? What's the worry this guy now? Guy, calm down now.
You go tell me now.
Hey, bro, you funny, but here's the thing, yeah. To be honest, it will be difficult because your girl respects you a lot. But I assure you, when I sleep with her, you'll be the first to know.
Hey, see, how far? But you know now, in case.
You're a beautiful woman. Casper should be lucky to have you in his life.
Thank you. You flatter me.
Oh no, I'm not flattering you. I'm just telling you the truth. You're a very beautiful woman.
Thank you. Hey, baby.
Zelda, I'll call you tomorrow, okay? I'm discussing with the client right now. Alright, bye.
It's not like you always had time for me, though. Hello.
Yeah, I think I forgot my handkerchief at your apartment.
You did? I didn't see anything. I didn't see any handkerchief.
Are you sure?
Yes. Maybe you dropped it somewhere. I don't know.
I guess so. Anyways, it's all right. It's fine. So, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm all right. I wanted to ask, did you tell Caspar I came to visit?
No. Did you?
No, I didn't. But why didn't you tell him?
No, because I don't want him to make assumptions in his head. Caspar has insecurity issues, okay? And I don't want to cause the rift between you and him, so...
Okay. Are you comfortable with me coming to visit?
Yes, as far as you understand that you have to call me before you come visiting. I'm okay with it. And we don't get to do anything bad. Abi?
Noted. All right. So, tell me, what's your favorite food?
Why?
Nothing, I'm just asking.
Well, fried rice, chicken and salad. What are those?
I'm preparing your favorite food.
Wait. What do you mean you're preparing my favorite food? You can cook for me in my house. As what? I don't understand.
Of course, as your friend. Look, I don't need to ask for your permission. I know my way to the kitchen.
Wait. I'm saying you just can't come to my house and cook for me. It doesn't make sense. I should be the one
Oh, it's
entertaining you.
nothing. Come on,
Wait, I'm
brother.
just saying, wait.
Okay. Chef Ejike in the building.
Ejike, what are you doing?
Please.
You want to cook for me?
Listen, I guarantee you, when you are done eating my meal, listen, Zelda, you would never ever want to touch anybody's cooking. Okay? Do you believe that?
Okay, fine.
All right. Please help me with your pots. Your pots.
I don't know punch.
Pot. Hey, you have no idea what you're about to experience right now. Aha. There you go. Let me help him out.
Okay. You do
Easy.
everything. Okay. Okay, this looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay, the other ones.
Woo.
So am I supposed to hold it like okay, sure. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Okay, I'm holding it.
I'm sorry. Let me help you.
Oh, you take it from me.
Okay.
Should be taking a picture or a video. Wait, come on, relax.
Come on. Let it out.
It's delicious. Well, you didn't tell me you could cook this good.
Well, now you know it. Let me let you in on a little secret.
What?
this is the reason why the boys always prefer me to be the one doing the cooking and stuff. Yes.
Come on now, don't insult the boys.
I'm not insulting the boys.
Oh, you are.
I'm simply stating the facts.
Oh my word, I'm sorry.
Hey, easy.
I'm
Let
sorry.
me help with that.
Okay.
Yeah. That's much better.
Thank you. The juice.
Cheers to you. Oh, this was
It's a signed deal, huh?
signed deal.
I'm happy.
I'm glad you like the building, though.
I love the building. I love it. And I like what to do with the pool.
Yes. I told you we were going to fix it.
My wife will like it.
Which I'm sure she will.
Wow.
Please, my regards to her anyway.
Sure.
Have you been able to book a taxi?
No. They keep cancelling the ride.
Oh,
And the network is pretty bad.
sorry.
Perhaps it's because of the weather, but how do I get home now?
I was... Do you...
Man. I don't know, what do I do now? What do I do?
I could maybe try from mine.
So, do you have a good network?
Okay, let me
Because mine is
try.
pretty bad.
It's not opening. I'm sorry. Well, why don't you pass the night here?
Are you sure?
Well, it's windy outside. I can't allow you go out in this situation.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, Casper, let me take the call.
It's fine.
Hey, baby.
Why are you taking too long to answer your call? What are you doing?
Nothing. How are you?
Can you come over right now? I need you.
Baby, I can't leave the house. It's windy.
I'll come pick you up right now.
No, that's risky for you too. Do you know what? Why don't I come visit you tomorrow?
What's going on? Who is in your house with you?
Baby, there is no one in my house. I am all alone, okay? I'll come see you tomorrow. I promise. All right? Love you. Good night. Bye.
And this network. Why is Casper calling me? Guy, how far now?
Where are you?
I'm with Tochi right now.
Are you sure you're with Zelda? Ejike, what's going on between you two?
Bro, I just told you I'm with Tochi. I'm at Tochi's place. I'll talk to you later, I beg.
Why don't you come in and freshen up?
Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm good like this.
No, you need to change into something more comfortable.
No, I'm all right, honestly speaking. I'll just wash my face, I'll be good.
HK, come on. You can't sleep like this. Just come in, freshen up. I'll give you something to change into.
Okay, why don't you bring the clothes? I'll just wear it here.
Would you shower here as well? No? Come in.
Okay. I swear, he felt like the ground should open and swallow him up.
That was very funny.
You look tired, Joe.
Me?
Maybe you should go in and get some sleep.
Oh, wait. Okay. It's just that it's been a long while I laughed like this. And I am enjoying the job.
You know, we can always do this some other time. Go in and get some sleep.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sleep tight.
Thank you. Oh. It's okay. When you feel sleepy, you should come in and sleep, okay?
Never mind. I'll just sleep on the couch.
And who would allow you to sleep on her couch? Come on. Come to bed when you're sleepy.
Your bed.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. What is wrong with two friends sleeping on the same bed?
Okay. Thank you. I'll join you shortly.
I'm waiting.
Sleep well, okay?
Night.
Good night.
Hey. Good night.
Good night.
What's going on? Zelda has never declined when I asked her to visit. Something is definitely not right here. Hey, guy, how far now? Eh? Where were you last night? And don't lie to me. Where you been there?
But I told you I was at Tochi's now. But earlier in the day I was with Zelda.
Oh my God. Update me now. What's been happen?
Which one be update you? Waiting.
You've been there with Zelda now. Update me. How far now?
Bro, I'm still trying to get comfortable with her, okay? Yeah.
Okay. But wait, I've been they call you now. You got call on me now. I've been they call you. You know
Yeah,
everything
you're
going
now.
Oh yeah, Afan, now just tell me nothing with it.
Yeah, I go let you know. Bro,
Explain
man,
to me now, my man. Just explain to me. Waiting with it happen now, my guy.
Zelda. This is your boyfriend's best friend you're making advances at. You have to get rid of this face.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good. Great.
Good. Is he around?
Yes, he's upstairs.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Yeah. Baby. Baby, I've been here for a while now. You're not giving me any sort of attention. You're just focused on your iPad. Casper!
Babe, what is it now? I can hear you. Can't you see I'm working?
What do you mean you're working? I told you I've been here for the past 40 minutes and you're not giving me any attention. You just focus on your iPad. You're just working and working and working.
Just give me a few minutes.
I'm not giving you any feeling.
Wait, what is your problem? I just told you give me a few minutes. Can't you see I'm working? What's your problem? Why are you nagging? No, why are you nagging? You are here. I can see you. Just give me a few minutes. Let me just attend to work. Is that a problem? What is it? Just allow me to concentrate. Please.
Casper, I just...
Hey, okay. Since you don't want to listen, just go. Come. Stay here. Please. Okay? Yes.
I did my best to show you that I really love you, baby. I gave my all to show you that I do believe in what we share. But it's so clear.
Zelda, what's the problem? Why are you crying?
Me? Something fell into my eye.
Don't lie to me. What is going on? Hey, talk to me. What's the problem? Did you have a fight with Casper? Hey, talk to me. Hey, what's going on? What is it?
Why is Casper doing this to me? I've been up there for 50 minutes and he's not giving me any attention. Why is he stressing me emotionally and mentally? I just need his love. I just need 5 minutes of his time. That's all I need. I promise.
It's okay. It's alright. Listen. Stop crying, okay? Everything will be alright. Seeing you cry like this, it's breaking my heart. No man, absolutely nobody deserves your tears. Okay?
It's alright. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
I want to go home and rest.
You sure you can do that? Okay. Yeah.
To find my peace, I'm going nowhere.
You know, if you need me, you can reach out, huh? Take care.
To find love, I'm going nowhere. To find my peace, I'm going nowhere.
Where is Zelda?
She left already.
She left. Why? She didn't even tell me she was leaving.
I don't know. What do you want me to say? Look, bro. All I can say is that she was really hurt. Casper, you need to stop hurting this girl. She left her house and came all the way here to visit you, but you couldn't give her attention.
Guy, you did fuck up, I swear.
Oh, bro, what are you saying? I was working.
You were working? Is that what you're going to say, that you were working? Guy, if you do not love this girl anymore, just break up with her. And let her go. Honestly, you see this game, this game that you're playing? I'm tired. Seriously, she doesn't deserve it.
Wait, hold on. Are you saying you're backing out now?
I'm not saying that I'm backing out. All I'm saying is that she does not deserve it. You know what? I'll play my game. But no matter the outcome of this, please do not hurt her.
Don't forget, it's my negligence that's helping you, bro.
I did my best to show you that I really love you, baby. I gave my all to show you that I do believe in what we share. But it's so clear that you can't see my heart. Oh yeah, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away, yeah. Oh no, to find my peace, I'm going away. Oh no, to find love, yeah. What is love? When you can trust. Oh, what is love? When you can sacrifice. What is love? When you can't be with me. Oh, baby. What is love? It's so clear that you can see my heart. Oh no, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away, yeah. Oh no, to find my peace, I'm going away, yeah.
What are you doing here?
Do I need any permission to come see you, or are you seeing someone else?
What did you just say to me? Am I seeing someone else? That's what you have to say to me. You left your house to come to mine to ask me if I'm seeing someone else. Do you know what? Casper, if you have nothing important to say to me, leave. Yes.
Hey, babe, calm down. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ejike told me you were hot.
Ejike told you I was hot. Your friend tells you your girlfriend is hot. What kind of man are you? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your own friend explains to you that your girlfriend is hot. Well done. Nice one.
Babe, hey, look. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Look. It's work. No. It's not an excuse. It's not an excuse. Babe, look. I am sorry. I miss you. That's why I came around. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Yeah. It's me. It's Casper. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you call me yesterday? Or today either?
Babe, I want you to apologize. I'm sorry. Please.
Excuse me.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Hi, Ejike, how are you? I don't think you should come anymore. Caspar is around. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, yeah. Okay, alright, I'll talk to you later. Yeah.
You're tired of this game, right?
Oh boy. Now 3-1 now.
Me, sef, I don't tire. You just dey win me, they go. Make I check wetin dey happen.
now.
I want check wetin dey happen online. Our man don't show.
Don't mind her.
So you slept with her, right?
What?
No, you slept with her.
Slept with who?
Eh? Is this not yours?
Hey, what's
Is this
going
not your handkerchief?
Yes, this is my handkerchief. I've been looking for it. Where did you find it?
You've been looking for it. Where did I find it? In Zelda's bedroom.
Zelda's bedroom? How did it get there?
Did you get what guts?
Oh.
Look, you slept with her.
I have not slept with her.
If I find out you're protecting her.
Oh. For goodness sake, why would I be protecting her when I need the money? I'm telling you, I have not slept with her.
If you slept with her, just tell me you slept with her.
If I have slept with her, you would be the first to know. Casper, so you don't believe me again? Boy, see this guy, yo.
Alpha, did you sleep with her?
I haven't slept with her.
What about this?
Okay, I'll be honest with you. I slept in her bedroom, but nothing happened.
So why did you lie to him?
You know how Casper is, man. I didn't want to send him the wrong idea yet. I was trying to protect her.
You're trying to protect? What? Ejike, you're in love with this girl.
Love? Come on, man.
here now? Where's the hanky? Did it develop? Hi.
Why did you lie about this?
Where did you get that from? I've been looking for...
You've been looking for it? I thought you said you couldn't find it.
Please, can I have that?
Why?
Because I just want it.
I need you to explain to me why you want my handkerchief.
Because when I see this hanky, I think of you. I feel like you're right beside me. I just want you close to me. When I look at it, I see you. You are everything I want. You take care of me. You play with me. You even listen to my rantings. I like you. I love you.
Can you repeat what you just said?
I said
Excuse me. I need you to stop coming to my house. Please. Zelda, I know what we did was wrong, but I can't stop thinking about you. What we had was special. I don't know if it's the right thing, but I can't get you out of my head.
I did my best to show you that I really love you, baby. I gave my all to show you that I do believe in what we share. But it's so clear that you can't see my heart. Oh yeah, but it's so clear that you can't see my heart and how I feel. I'm going.
You're Casper's best friend. We shouldn't be doing this. I don't want you to come to this house anymore. Please.
Yeah. You're right.
And no one needs to hear about this. This secret will take it to our graves.
I love you, Zelda. I swear.
What is love when you can trust? Oh, what is love when you can sacrifice? What is love when you can't be with me? Oh, baby. What is love? It's so clear that you can see my heart. Oh no, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going nowhere. No, no, to find my peace. I'm going nowhere.
Guy, how far now? You called for this meeting and you've been quiet all along. What's going on? Speak now. What's the problem?
Well, about the deal. I'm backing out. I tried to sleep with her, but she slapped me and told me not to come to her house anymore.
Wait, she did that?
Yeah, she did. That girl loves you. And she's a good woman. You two deserve each other.
She's the one. Yes, she's the one.
Casper. Are you convinced now?
She's the one. I told you now. I told you. Now my woman, she's mine, bro.
Yeah.
I told you guys, man.
She's the one.
Guys, look. This calls for celebration. Man, I'm proposing to her tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Tomorrow, bro! Make I come the delay. Make person call my babe. No. Tomorrow, my man. It is I go forget. My 1 million naira. You get my account now. Woo! Done. She's the one.
Oh yeah, now tomorrow. Bad guy. Alpha. Any truth?
Come on, AGK. She's your best friend's girlfriend. You
shouldn't be thinking about her.
My guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
Baby. I love you so much. And I want to prove it here and now.
No?
Yes, no. Baby, you're the one of my dreams. I want you to please spend the rest of your life with me. Will you marry me?
You slimy bitch! Oh! Hey! Don't you dare touch me! Don't! You cheating bastard!
Wait, hold on. Why did you have to slap Zelda like that?
Because she is a cheat. Excuse you? She's cheating on you with AGK.
What?
Yes, I saw them in each other's arms.
Yeah, I love the space. It will be good for my clothing business.
Sure.
Like I said. Well, how many years did you say the previous occupant stayed in the apartment?
Just 2 years, I think.
Oh, 2 years.
Yeah.
That's fine. I like it. I'll pay for it. Okay? You don't need to bother yourself. I'll pay for it. Just send me your details. Okay? Yeah, send me your details. Don't worry about it.
But make sure you pay this weekend, though.
Forget
I'll give
about
it to
that.
somebody else.
Don't worry. I'll make the payment.
No problem.
Next 24 hours.
No problem.
Don't worry. You get your payment. Get your money, okay?
Okay.
All right. We'll
Yeah,
have to
take
see
care.
later.
Okay.
Okay. Just send me the your details, okay?
No problem.
All right.
How dare you! Ejike! This is all your fault. All this would never have happened if you didn't also have to pay me to sleep with her.
What? What did you just say?
I am telling you the truth. Casper offered to pay me 5 million naira to seduce you because he's insecure. He wanted me to do it to confirm his doubt.
What is love when When you can trust, oh, what is love? When you can sacrifice, what is love? When you can't be with me, oh baby, what is love? It's so clear.
I am disappointed in you. All because of money, you cheated on me.
But it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away. Oh no.
Babe, it's okay. It's okay. Calm down, okay? Babe, calm down. Please. I know you're worried. Babe, see. Let's go. He has asked everyone to leave. We can't stay here any longer, please. Let's go to my place. Yes? Let's go to my place. Come on now, babe. Don't do this. Babe, you can stay at my place. It's no big deal. Please, just calm down. I know you're really, really mad at everything going on right now. The whole situation is all messed up. Please calm down. Let's just go, please.
To show you that I really love you, baby. I give my all to show you that I do believe in what we share. But it's so clear that you can see my heart. Oh yeah, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away. I'm going away. Oh no, to find love. What is love? When you can trust. Oh, what is love? When you can sacrifice. What is love? When you can't be with me, oh baby. What is love? It's so clear that you can see my heart. Oh no, but it's so clear that you can see my heart and how I feel. I'm going away. Oh no, to find my peace. I'm going away. Find
Zelda. Zelda, please. Zelda, I love you. At first it was a game. But as the days went by, I found myself falling in love with you. I swear to you, Zelda, I truly love you. Please, I beg you, please forgive me.
It hurts me. It hurts. It hurts.
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. But you have to believe that I love you. Zelda, I am deeply and totally in love with you. All I'm asking for is a second chance. Please. Please forgive me. Zelda, please.
when you can trust. Oh, what is love? When you can sacrifice. What is love? When you can't be with me, oh baby. What is love? It's so clear that you can't.